I think I messed up by not sharing this Kung Pao chicken recipe with you sooner. Get ready for a flavor explosion. First things first, the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons water. Set that mixture aside. Now grab your chicken, 2 boneless, skinless breasts or thighs, your choice. Toss those bite-sized pieces with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Coated and ready to go. Heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in your wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken until golden brown and cooked through, about 5-6 minutes. Remove and set aside. In the same wok, add another tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now comes the aromatic party. Dried red chilies, minced garlic, and ginger. Sauté until fragrant, about a minute. Don't burn the garlic, throw in diced red and green bell peppers. Stir fry for 2-3 minutes until they're crisp but tender. Toss in 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts for that delicious crunch. Bring back the chicken and pour in the sauce you made earlier. Stir until everything is evenly coated and the sauce thickens, around 1-2 minutes. Finish with a sprinkle of green onions and sesame seeds if you like. Serve hot with steamed rice. And there you have it, a quick, flavorful Kung Pao chicken that'll wow your taste buds. Enjoy your meal, chef.